All right, let's talk about home appraisal. I am Cassie Peacock with Iconic Realty Network, and your buyer has completed a home inspection. So the next step is going to be, if the buyer is getting a loan for your house, they will be required to have an appraisal done. So an appraisal is ordered by the lender, by the bank, and they come out and they tell you what your home is worth. Now, it's very difficult to renegotiate with an appraiser. And so make sure you hire a realtor who knows how to work with an appraiser, because there's certain things that realtors can do before the appraisal and even after to talk to an appraiser. But they're going to come in, they're going to tell you basically the value of your home. Now, there's certain things that could happen. Number one, the price could come in either at the sale price or above the sale price. And if that happens, great, you are good to go, you can move forward. But if, heaven forbid, the appraisal comes in below your sale price, there's some things that will probably happen, because your buyer probably won't want to continue with the price of the home being appraised for below. So you can negotiate with your buyer. So you can come down on price with them, or you can meet in the middle, but you'll want to negotiate with them. You could cancel it and then just go back on the market, or you could go approach previous people who have come to look at your house. So the appraisal is based on sold properties that are similar to your home, called comparables. And a good realtor would have informed you before listing your house at the list price. They would have given you, and you'll want to ask for market data. You'll want to know what homes have sold, because that is history. That's real data. That's what's actually happened. So you don't want to just look at what active homes are, because active homes are just what people are hoping to get for their house. Sold homes are what have actually happened. That's what people are actually willing to pay in the market. So the appraisal is very important. And once the appraisal is done, hopefully it comes in at the right price, then you can move forward to closing. At closing day, you'll want to bring your ID and everybody who's going to be on title, and the lender will usually be there, and then you'll sign the paperwork, and usually the keys are given upon recording. That means you have to wait until the loan has been paid and the money has transferred, and then also the title has been recorded at the county. And once that has happened, then you can get the keys to your property. So some people think you get the keys when you go sign papers, but usually you have to wait until recording, which can differ depending on which county you're in. So that is the home selling process, and I hope that helped. And if you have any questions about selling your home here in Utah, feel free to give me a call.